Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Links are going to be down below. You can check them out and see what they have to offer. Here comes a cut. And take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get these in no time. I'm not sure what this is. Let's find out. Prime wardrobe. Alright. Let's see what they sent us. I can show you guys how it works, and in case you're curious, give it a try. But if you're on a tight budget, this would be great for you. You got up to 7 days to try it on, and if you don't like them, you can return them. So if you got kids and a single mother, a single father, for school, especially for college, this will be a great way to go about it. And let's see what they have sent. We got here something. Let's see. Alright. Oh, we got a tag. Barcode. Amazon Essentials. Let's see. Oh, these are the... Okay. I remember. These are the women's casual wear. Got the Essentials Amazon. So pretty comfortable. Hopefully you guys can see it. The sunlight is screwing up today. Maybe that. Hold on. There we go. But this is like a bluish black. Pretty comfortable. And got another one. Yeah, it's really easy to use. They got a lot of things you could do the 7-day trial period. It's up to 8 items per cart. You get to choose from shoes, jewelry, men's clothing, kids clothing, babies clothing, tennis shoes. I think I already said. Here's another shirt. But yeah, it's really easy to use, and like I said, I'm just gonna hop over. This is coming from Maxwell. It's like a pinkish color. It looks red on my end. I'm not sure why it's it, but not a bad casual top, I guess, for the women out there. Kind of like roll up sleeves type guy. Alright, and third one, got the last one here. Favorite bag. But yeah, definitely pretty cool that Amazon's doing this. Not like Walmart and other companies, they don't do this. But definitely Amazon is ahead of its time right now. So, and I'll leave the links and all that good stuff to each one of these items on there, so you guys could take a look, guys and gals. And here's the other one, kind of like a prisoner. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna hop over the computer. Alrighty, here we go. So you're on your Amazon homepage, and we're about to do some shopping. So, like I said, this is really cool. Hopefully you guys can see. There we go. Just type in Prime wardrobe like that. And there it is. Prime. View your Prime cart. So say you wanted this one, but you're not sure on the size or anything. All you gotta do is select your size. Come on, computer. Alright, that one doesn't. Certain sizes they have where you could do Prime. Okay, not this one. Click on that right there. Alright, we'll just pick here. It says try it free. Like the size. Come on. There we go. See, it's up here. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. You can add up to a total of 8 items, but since I had those 5 or 3, I do believe I could add it like that. Then it'll pop up that. See, up to 8. But you can to the ship to pick. So you can pick any of these pants. And like I said, the shirts will be listed down below where you guys can check it out. And then returns are pretty easy, I do believe. Orders. You'll see it says track. And say if you like them. All you gotta do is hit keep, return, keep, return, click on that, and it'll do it. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Prime Wardrobe, great idea. Be safe, have a good day, and see you guys soon.